Rojas Boulevard was closed to vehicular traffic this afternoon. The reason, the Parade of the Stars, which kicked off the 2014 Metro Manila Film Festival. More from Ara Perez.
Filipinos flocked the Metro Manila Film Festival Parade of Stars 2014 held in Manila. You would have never heard a pin drop as the crowd cheered for their favorite personalities. Besides their souvenirs, floats also bested each other with their designs. Bonifacio, ang unang Pangulo's float, will take you back to the Spanish occupation with lead star Robin Padilla. Fantasy and fairy tale took center stage in My Big Bossing's float with stars Vic Soto, Marian Rivera, and Riza May Dizon. The 15th installment of classic film Shake, Rattle, and Roll boasted of a creepy airplane. With a decade in the making, Feng Shui 2 showcased its Bagua trademark and Chinese tradition. As Amazing Private Benjamin 2 is set to tickle the fancies of Filipinos, E.R. Ejercito and Sam Pinto's Muslim Magnum 357 urges our kababayans to serve and to protect this holiday season. Floats of English Only Please and Kubot, ang unang aswang, also wowed their fans. Our team had a chance encounter with Vice Ganda, lead star of Private Benjamin, before facing his fans. This early, the comedian extended his gratitude to the Filipinos for their support, not only for his film but for the rest of the festival's entries this year.
Masaya, parang third ko na to. Una si Stiraka sa Girl Boy Bakla, Tomboy, pangatlo tong The Amazing Private Benjamin. Nagpapasalamat ako sa mga Pilipino na sigurado akong tatangkilikin ng The Amazing Private Benjamin katulad na rin ng pagtangkilik na ginawa nila nung part 1. At nagpapasalamat ako at binibigyan nila ako ng maraming pagkakataon na para patawarin at pasayahin sila lagi.
Over 500 personnel of the Metropolitan Manila Development Authority were in the area to guide the traffic along the parade route. Prior to the event, the MMDA has released a traffic advisory to the public. The northbound lane of Rojas Boulevard from P. Ocampo to TM Calao was closed to pave the way for the parade.